Hey, everybody. Today, we're going to look at expressing our opinion. I'm not sure how much thought you've ever given to it, but being able to express yourself and using the appropriate words to introduce that expression is quite powerful. So, here are some phrases that you can use when you talk about how you or here are some powerful expressions you can use when you want to express your opinion. Let's see. The first one will be, in my opinion. That's an easy one to remember because you know that you are expressing your opinion. So when someone says something and they're waiting for feedback, you could actually say, in my opinion. Or number two, I believe that. Three, from my perspective. Four, I feel that. Five, it seems to me that. Six, I think that. Seven, as far as I'm concerned. Eight, from where I stand. Nine, it's clear to me that. And 10, I would argue that. So here is our scenario. I'm going to ask you to talk about climate change. I'm going to say, what are your thoughts on climate change? I want you to use one of the opinion phrases I just went over. There is no right or wrong answer. You are giving your opinion. So as you express your personal viewpoint, I want you to use one of the 10 phrases that I suggested. I'm asking, what are your thoughts on climate change? So you might say, it's clear to me that climate change is something that needs the attention of the world. It needs global attention. Or you could say, it seems to me that enough energy is not put into the conversations of climate. So, whatever you think, I want to hear. All right. That's what I want you to put in the chat. I'd like to hear what your thoughts are.